Hi guys, join me. Let us make this particular beef stew. This is not chicken stew, this is beef. Very, very interesting. After watching this video, trust me, you will like it. This is the beef. All right, you'll be surprised. Why is the beef coloring black? Don't worry, that's why I say this is beef stew. These are all the ingredients we use. These are our ginger and garlic. This is our pepper. This pepper, I will tell you the name on description. Check it there. Our fresh pepper we are using. After using this pepper to make your food, trust me, this is a very special pepper. If you know the name, put it on comment section. These are our onions and ginger and garlic, well sliced and pound. This is our pepper, it's already pound already. This is our paste tomatoes. We have removed it from the sachet. All right, after watching this video, if you find this video helpful, do well to give me a thumb like. Now the process began. We do well to add our vegetable oil. Now first of all, we put the ginger and garlic before adding the onions. Yes, if you try this, trust me, you will like this particular one. This is special one. It's not as usual own that you know. This is very, very special, trust me. Now after some minutes, after you put the ginger, fry the ginger and garlic for a minimum of less than 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then you add your onions, fry your onions for 1 minute, then do it to add your your tomatoes. All right, this is what paste tomato. We are not adding the fresh tomatoes, blended fresh tomatoes yet. If you follow this process, trust me, your stew is going to come out well. In case if this is your first time to see my channel, this channel is Martino Ezugo Kitchen. Do well to click the subscribe button to be getting updates anytime we drop our video. Let me know what you think on comment section, and do well to also drop your like. Give me a like if you do like the video. It will help this platform to circulate it more. Now we're adding our our fresh tomatoes, well blended already. If you want a tomato to the water not be much, do well to cook your tomato first of all to dry the water before blending. Now see how the stew face is looking. Now we do well to add that pepper. This pepper, if you want to use this pepper, don't blend, don't crush it to to nothing. See the way I crush this one I have done. Do it like that. Now when you put the pepper, put the other things. You never put some other spices I use for this particular stew. I have not added it. And first thing I'm adding the meat first. Do what to check description box. You will see other videos that will also help you. You will find helpful. After you put, stir gently. This is cow tail. For this cow tail, the oil on it is something I cannot explain. Oh my god. Now this is stock. We put in the stock. Do well to give a good mix. Then we put our season cube. Why you need to put the stock before the season cube? Because you use season cube, you use salt and other spices to cook your meats. All right. After you put it, then test it to adjust your spices. Now add our salt. Now this is some thyme and ginger curry and spicity to just enhance the color and some little taste of the stew. If you are watching this to this extent, please do well to subscribe and also give us a thumb like.